everyone! So, napunta karon diri sa akong channel. Welcome! So, if you're new to this channel, I hope you like and subscribe and watch all the videos I've done before. Tapos, i-click din yung bell button para updated mo sa tanang videos na akong i-upload. So, today, we are going to film a little bit of challenge with my kids to see if they know how to apply makeup on my face. Ang butong sa siya kabubot karon, but hopefully ma-pull off na mo in a video. Dugay na kayo siya in the books. Siguro I promised them around 2 to 3 years ago na we will be filming a makeup challenge with them applying makeup on me. And karon rin ako siya nakatagan og higayon na mag-film ani nga video because they've been bugging me incessantly for the past 2 weeks na siguro. And hopefully you'll watch this and you like this. Please subscribe to my channel again. And tabangin ko ninyo guys and share this video para makita sa tanan kung kung sila ka maayong apply sa makeup. Okay? See you later. Bye! Smile. Hi everyone! So these are my beautiful daughters. There you go. And they will be doing my makeup. They'll be the one to do my makeup. And hopefully they can pull it off. So wish them luck. Good luck, guys.
So you're gonna declare the winner? Yeah. No. It's a challenge. No, it's challenge.
Yeah, it's a challenge. So maybe Daddy will be the one to judge. Yeah. So this side will be Patsy side, Dalia, and then this side will be DC Zoe side. Okay, so Daddy will be the judge. Good luck, guys. All right.
Bye.
finished look. And now we are about to vote. Yes. Okay. So the voting panel will be Savvy and Tito Alfie. So Savvy, which side did you pick? Wait lang, Daddy will be the judge. He will be the tiebreaker. Point, which is better? This one? Okay. So Tito Alfie, you're automatically you automatically vote for Atsis. Okay, so you tell everyone why you chose this side.
Because Daisy is the nicest person.
He's the nicest person. Hey, louder, louder. What else? What else? Makeup.
I like the lipstick because it is dark. It's my mom's favorite color. We have the same lipstick, Savvy.
Yeah, it's the same. Atsi and Ditzy has the same
You just
lip
like
shade.
it. And then I like this.
You like everything about Mommy. Savvy picked Zoe's side, which is this one. And then Tito Alfie automatically goes to Atsi's side. So you'll be the tiebreaker.
My side?
So which one? Left or right? The right side? Okay, so we have a winner! So we have a winner. Zoe's side won. And Atsi's side was not chosen, but at least she had a vote from Tito Alfie.
It was an automatic.
Yeah, it was an automatic vote, but still, let's review what they did. Okay guys, so again, to recap, this is Zelia's side, and then this is Zoe's side. So Zoe's side won, and of course, Zelia comes second automatically. So let's do a close-up for both looks. That is it. This is the finished look, and we all chose a winner, and it's Zoe. And we're gonna give her a prize after church today! Yay for Zoe! And we're gonna give Atsi a consolation prize for participating. Sige na lang, guys. Yay! She's literally crying right now. She's a sore loser. She's so sad because Daddy did not pick her side. So alright guys, since Atsi is already crying, we're gonna do a vote, an online vote, and choose which side you're gonna pick. And I hope you will choose her this time because she's literally crying. I'll show you.